Here we have a Jet 15-inch drill press. Okay, this is still in the factory box. Box has a little bit of shipping distress. The unit itself is okay. It is missing a drive belt for the spindle right here, but it does include this belt right here. We're going to fire it up, show you that it operates. You can see this needs adjustment, tightening of the belt. It appears that all the parts are accounted for. So you got your column, that's your guard for your arbor. You got your table, base, your 3 handles, and your column, table, bracket. You get a drill chuck, all your accessories, and the nuts and bolts to assemble the unit. Okay, it's really very easy to assemble. As I said, overall it's in really good shape. It has maybe a couple of little paint scuffs. That's about it. There's your instruction manual. And we thank you for looking at our product.